If you're looking for one of those products that makes you stop and say, why didn't I get this sooner? This is it. These solar motion sensor lights have honestly been one of the smartest upgrades we've made around our home. They're simple, effective, and they solve a problem that every homeowner deals with at some point. Needing light exactly where you need it, without running wires or spending a fortune. What I love most is that they charge during the day and they automatically do their job at night. No remembering to turn anything on or off. No complicated setup. Just install them where you want them and let them work. And the motion detection is fantastic. Whether someone is walking up to the front door, heading through the yard, checking on pets, taking out the trash, or simply coming home after dark, the lights come on exactly where they're needed and when they're needed. It's one of those little conveniences that quickly becomes something you rely on every single day. And the brightness really impressed me. Sometimes solar lights look great in pictures, but don't actually provide much light. That was definitely not the case here. These put out a surprising amount of light and cover a much larger area than I expected. I also love how versatile they are. You can use them around your front door, garage, driveway, patio deck, walkway, backyard, shed, or anywhere else that you could use extra visibility. We found ourselves thinking of more places to put them because they work so well. Another huge benefit is the added sense of security. A well-lit home simply feels safer. Motion-activated lighting helps you see what's going on around your property and makes it easier for family members and guests to move around after dark. And let's talk about weather. These have been exposed to rain, heat, and everything else Mother Nature throws at them, and they've continued to perform exactly how they're supposed to. That's a big deal because outdoor products need to be dependable. And as a busy parent, I appreciate products that actually work without creating more work for me. And once these were installed, there was really nothing else to think about. They just quietly do their job day after day. My husband loves them, the kids love them, visitors notice them, and honestly, I love not having to worry about dark areas around the house anymore. If you've been considering adding outdoor lighting, improving visibility around your home, or simply making life a little easier, I think these are definitely worth getting. I love mine so much, I just bought a second pack to go around my pool area. So they're definitely practical, dependable, easy to use, and one of those purchases that continues to provide value long after you install them. For us, this has been one of those products that exceeded expectations, and I would absolutely buy them again. They've been a huge plus for us. And I must say, I even got them for my dad. He's a senior now, and it's really important for him to have a little extra security, and it makes him feel better to have all these lights now and for them to just be able to come on. So it's been really nice for him too. So definitely a great gift idea as well. Everyone needs these somewhere. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, follow me for more great finds just like this one.